into this one. I think it shows. It's basically a brand new 80 series with some upgrades and tasteful mods. Nothing too crazy. So the engine had about 175 when it came in, did a full rebuild on that. And yeah. I mean, everything. There's not much I guess the transmission cooler we didn't replace. Those don't really go bad. We just flushed it out, tested it, painted it. But I mean, other than the body stuff here that was restored, painted, pretty much everything is new. Got an ARB bumper, fully restored, worn winch, Baja LP6s, 12K worn winch. It's all on a Switch Pro. You got your factor 55. That's the power steering cooler, King shocks and steering dampener. Here's a little oil on the front axle we need to clean off. The freaking Toyotas, when you do an oil change on the Land Cruiser, tends to make a mess. And we'll clean that off in about 5-10 minutes. So that's a Long Range America sub-tank. With that, the truck's got close to 50 gallons on board. So pretty decent range. Yeah. So, here we go.